So when I'm finished with the changes and I send it off, I can specifically grant the access to the recipients of the email. So again, they can maybe do some other changes as well. So this basically keeps the same document in the loop, and it's not something our competition can do at the moment. So using Gmail and Docs, it's probably the formatting and it doesn't stay the same way. It gets quite corrupt. So here I have the revised document that I have received. So this was for Hotmail. Do you want to see how it works in the live scenarios?
Yeah, it would be nice.
So again, here I'm opening a new Word document from the Hotmail experience, and so I just create it, save it. Okay, now it will actually open in the browser. We have a very slow connection here, so it will take a while. Oops. So this is just to give you an idea. It's still not in beta, so it doesn't work in a perfect way, but this is what you will be able to do. So going back to this is kind of the three key promises we will have for the new Hotmail users. So one, we want to make it easy and fast to clean and the inbox and keep it out of spam and out of clutter. Then we want to make it productive, and the third one is Office integration. On the timeline, we will start rolling new Hotmail features in July, and then for Office integration specifically, that will take us longer because we have a lot of users worldwide and we need to scale it. So my estimation is that it's going to be probably in the late fall where we will have this full Office capability for all the users we use. Okay. So that was on Hotmail. Do you have any additional questions?
No.
No. So now I will move to the second product that I want to talk about, and that's Messenger. Again, Messenger, it's a product that it's widely used in Greece, as you probably know. We have a lot of users, probably about 2.5 million active users at the moment. And you will probably also agree that the instant messaging environment has changed quite a bit in the last year or two. People have a lot of different way how they communicate online with Facebook, with other social networks. They also share a lot, and what it led to is that there is not really a lot of control in what they share, and also they have created a very large amounts of friends that they don't really think of them as friends. So and the last point is that there's also quite a bit of concern about privacy, and people have some bad experiences already with sharing stuff. So our kind of value proposition with the new Messenger is that we want to be the most meaningful way to stay in touch with the people that matter the most. And what it really means is that we want to take your 30, 40, 50 friends that you really care about. And by using Messenger, we want to not only have the communication tool, but we also want to give you the updates from the social networks, the updates from the photos these guys are sharing or your friends are sharing, and not necessarily share that with the entire Facebook community you're a part of or so on. So I will show you some of the examples again, but just before that, let me give you the 4 pillars. So the first one is really making the application as the best instant messaging client on the market. And by that we mean, making sure it works perfectly with Windows 7, it uses all the benefits of that platform. And we want to make it also more interactive. And again, I'll give you examples. The second one is connected to the things you are already doing. By that we mean, if you want to use Messenger on the web, in Hotmail, in the photos, that's what third point is on the social dashboard and being able to have a social view of what your friends are doing. And the last point is on the data and privacy, and again I'll show you an example. So now I have also a mixture of slides and demos. Again, the slides are quite faster, so I'll start with them. So here we have, let me maybe just go back a little bit and show you the Messenger and how it looks today. This is not even a beta version, but this is just for you to get an idea of the new user interface. So here what we have is called full view, and here I have the possibility to choose either by social activities, look at my friends, or maybe have some MSN content as well. And I have it aggregated from my favorite friends. And you know how it works, I will show you in a bit. But again, here I can just preview photos. I can look at what my friends are doing in real life. So the second mode we have, it's called just. Excuse me.
Where are these photos stored?
These photos are stored in multiple places. So for example, these photos can come from Facebook, they can come from SkyDrive, they can come from Flickr, any online sharing service.
So it depends on me, on what kind of a social network account I link my account to,
basically
right?
here you connect Messenger to different services.
Right. Okay.
Okay,
yeah.
so when you connect Messenger to Facebook, it will automatically add Facebook photos. If you connect it to Flickr, it will add Flickr photos.
Right. So
it's really
then it's connected to Facebook, for instance, but it only filters the information according to my contacts, to my online or offline contacts that I have on Messenger.
Yeah.
And this is based on the email, or
no, it's based on it's based on your.
I mean, how does it filter the contacts that
I'll have it on the next slide. So
okay.
I'll just explain it to you in a minute. So here basically you have the kind of compact view. So that's the application people are used to. And again, we make it very easy to switch between those two different kind of user scenarios, if I can put it this way. Okay, so going back to the slides, I will start again with the first pillar. So just very quickly showing you some of the features. So here we have the compact view. We also use the power of Windows 7 to to use the right click to be able to pin the friends you want. We also, for example, when I go to that feature myself, here not only you can pin here, but also what you can do is to change your status. So when in this way, you can just make yourself busy or so on. So again, very quick way how to interact with the application. A feature that a lot of people have requested is the tab conversation. So on the top, you see that I have actually 4 tabs with 4 different active conversations. So again, instead of having multiple windows, we just have one. The other thing that we make it very easy is to connect connect different content into the conversation. So what I mean by that is that you can take photos, content from the web and from different sources, and once you have a chat with either one person or with a group of friends, you can pull all of this content together. And so let me show you how it works in real life. So what I would just do, I would just select LinkedIn.